Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I know it's been long time that we have made any videos. Had some other commitments and had some issues as well. All right, now we will just try and understand what is happening in the market. Today there was a good amount of buying side. You saw there was a lot of buyers. The market through the day made a kind of a Marabazu candle. Now how do we take a trade? Now we will just mark our levels, very important, and then we will, all right, okay. Now chalo, first of all, very important, this level line which is around 16,031, right, 16,031 levels, which is yesterday's high. Now why I marked that? Because yesterday we saw that price went all the way and all of a sudden there was a sell off, right? So tomorrow this level is going to act very important for me. Now secondly, again, yesterday's low also is very important because price opened lower, tried to go down but was able to manage to go upside, right? So this becomes an important level for me for tomorrow. Now apart from this, I have a gap, right? So this particular gap covering is what I am looking out if the prices tends to be positive and starts moving on one side, right? The other side is that if suppose tomorrow prices comes downside, these are the levels that I will be interested to see, which is around 15,775 and 15,650. These are levels that I have marked. Now we'll go into a shorter time frame and understand what better trade setups we could get. All right. Now let's go straight away into say 60 minutes. All right. In the 60 minutes, what I can find is this particular trend line, right? As of now, nothing else. No, I don't find anything else other than this. All right. Okay. So we'll move into 15 minutes and see if there is anything else that we have missed out. All right. This is, if you see, just consider this part of it. It is kind of a making an ascending triangle. So ascending triangles have 50% chances upside and downside. So we will see how it takes, right? Now we'll also mark certain important levels apart from this. I can see one very interesting level, right, which I'll be very cautious about, and that is this level. I'll put it in different color so that it becomes easy. All right, so we'll put it in say black color. Now why I have marked this? Now look at this. Yesterday's low high, it went up, right? This opening was there, right? It went up, pushed down, again went up, pushed down, right? So there were a lot of sellers sitting at this level 15,900, right? Once it crossed today after 12:30, look at this particular zone. Okay, now when the prices comes down with this full force, here there was a kind of a descending triangle. Okay, if you look in 5 minutes, you will see a M pattern or descending, whatever you want to call it as, you can just call it as, right? This is something like this, and then there was a fall, which is rightly so. Now in spite of this fall, all of a sudden the prices were held here, right? It went up again, the sellers tried to push it, but the buyers took away. That means this level is a very important and crucial level for me for trading tomorrow. So I'm just going to mark it straight away, right? I'll just keep this. This is an important level, very important level for me, right? So if the prices are around this, I will be cautious to see how it reacts, right? Because both buyers and sellers are sitting at this zone. Now what else can we mark? We can mark a few more zone, that is this particular level, right? Now tomorrow, is there anything else that I can mark? Right now, no, nothing else. This trend line will might act okay for us tomorrow if the prices opens here or somewhere. This you might get to see this trend line in action. Now what else there is? Is there anything? Probably this level I can mark as my demand zone. If suppose the price comes right into this zone tomorrow, if it gaps down or something like that, now this will become an important level for me, right? I'm going to put it in green. All right, now these are certain things. Now tomorrow if the prices opens flats, okay, यहाँ पे flat open होता है, right? So immediately I will be looking at this level 15,914. Okay, just to write it, everybody says please write. So this is 15,900 levels. Now 15,900 मतलब dot वहाँ पर नहीं, around that level is what I'll be looking at, right? Now why I'll be looking at, because there has been a lot of buyers who have been showing interest at this level. So if tomorrow prices opens flat and comes around this level, I'll be interested to see how these buyers will react back. Are they holding the market or are they exiting it, right? So this will be an important level for me around these levels, right? So I will look for some good price action over here. Now if the price, okay, opens flat, right, I want to see whether these rejections will come back into the market or it will surpass it, right? If it surpasses it, I'll be going buying side, on a buying side. If it does not and gives us some kind of a negative sentiment over this level, 16,000 levels, we're looking forward to a shorting the market, right? But since it will be around this level, I'll be kind of cautious. Now what if there is a gap up, right? If there is a gap up tomorrow, let's assume price opens above 16,000. I'll just mark it here, 16,000. Okay, right? So this is around 16,000 levels, which is yesterday's low, high, and everywhere. Now if the price, okay, immediately opens gap up hota hai, right? Please ensure to wait for the prices to take a support at this level, right? Now I know that there are a lot of sellers still sitting here, but we want to see whether they are going to be converted, because I'll also tell you why that will happen. Because change in OI, if you see, a lot of sellers have kind of started moving out, right? I want to see whether these people are going to flush out of the market or they're going to hold. If they hold the level, right, that means यहाँ पे support आता है, that means I will look forward to buying it. If it does not and starts coming below this level, right, 16,000 के below आने लग गया, then I will be shorting the market till this level of mine, right, around these levels, right? This is the trade plan for tomorrow. Is there anything else I can see? If tomorrow gap down हो जाए एकदम से, इसके नीचे gap down हो जाए, which is around 15,900, if the price gaps down below this level, I'll be slightly cautious, because in spite of having a very good moves, all of a sudden if you're going to have a thing, I will be cautious. Maybe around this one and this level 2, these are the levels I'll be looking at. Okay, only if there is some good kind of a support I will look at to buy it, otherwise no. We'll also do a quick open interest kind of a setup right now to see what is there. Now 16,000 as of now, 16,000 levels pe highest, second highest you can say, right? Second highest call option writing is prevalent, right? And major attack from the buyers is coming from the 16,000 level. So that is why I said 16,000 level is going to be very important for tomorrow. We'll also see change in OI. What has happened? Oh, nice. Now 16,000 level, in spite of being a very strong resistance, you have seen that call writers have started moving out. That means they're covering their positions, and there has been a complete buyers or put selling has happened around 16,000. So if tomorrow the prices sustains above 16,000 levels, right? If it sustains above 16,000 levels, you will find that these option sellers who are sitting here, right, they will start converting into either a call option buyer, or say they will start moving their thing to 16,100 and 200. So you will have a good rally if it sustains above 16,000 levels tomorrow, right? Till what level? At least 100 points is what I'll be looking at, minimum. That's the base minimum I'll be looking at, then followed by however it happens, right? So these are my trading setups. Now we'll also have a look at Bank Nifty. A lot of people have asked for Bank Nifty, so we'll see that as well. All right, I'll just stop it for some time.